Many people believe that eating anything at night slows metabolism, raises blood sugar, or turns straight into fat. But there's one powerful exception that works precisely because your body does not digest it, absorb it, or turn it into sugar. And that is exactly why it can improve insulin resistance, calm inflammation, strengthen the immune system, improve digestion, stabilize energy, and support deep repair while you sleep. And what I'm about to talk about is unmodified potato starch, also known as resistant starch, something most people have never even been taught how to use it correctly. Just so you understand that resistant starch passes through your stomach and small intestine untouched. It does not spike blood sugar. It does not raise insulin. Instead, it reaches the large intestine intact where it feeds specific beneficial gut bacteria, and those bacteria are not passive. They are metabolically active and they produce compounds that directly communicate with your entire immune system, as well as your liver, your brain, your hormones, and your metabolism. The most important of all these are the compounds that we call butyrate. And butyrate strengthens the gut lining, which reduces inflammatory particles leak into the bloodstream. And when that barrier improves, systemic inflammation drops, which often shows up as less joint stiffness, less arthritis pain, less muscle soreness, clearer thinking, improved mood, better stability, better digestion, reduced bloating, more energy throughout the day that all of us need. And butyrate also improves how your cells respond to insulin, which is critical because insulin resistance sits at the root of stubborn weight gain, fatigue, poor circulation, accelerated aging, and difficulty losing fat even when eating well. As insulin signaling improves, many people notice fewer cravings, especially at night. Much better appetite control, more stable blood sugar in the morning, and fewer energy crashes during the day. Timing is what counts because it matters tremendously. And this is why nighttime use works so well, because during sleep, your body naturally shifts into the repair mode. Growth hormone rises, cortisol starts to fall, insulin levels are lower, and feeding their gut bacteria during the window improves overnight metabolic signaling, which is why many people report deeper sleep, fewer nighttime awakenings, waking up feeling more refreshed, less morning grogginess. So common improved bowel regularity, extremely important, and a calmer nervous system over time. There's also a powerful immune benefit because nearly 70% of your immune system lives right here in your gut. And when that beneficial bacteria is fed properly, your immune regulation improves, meaning fewer exaggerated inflammatory responses, better resilience to stress, improved recovery, and more balanced immune system overall. Now, here's an important credibility point. Anyone can buy this at a grocery store, regular grocery store. This is not a supplement. You usually find it in the baking aisle, gluten-free section, or natural foods aisle. And if you are ordering it online, you simply type in unmodified potato starch. Unmodified potato starch. That is it. And when you check the ingredients list, it should say potato starch only, not potato flour, not modified starch, not instant or pre-cooked. And if it says flour or modified, put it back. This is also why it is so inexpensive. It is cheap because your body does not absorb it. And a single bag of this can last for weeks to months because you only need a small amount. People normally use potato starch for cooking, thickening sauces, baking, and crisping food. But when it's heated, it loses its resistant starch properties, which is why for health purposes, it must be used cold and unmodified, never heated. Here's exactly how to use it. You're going to start just with 1 teaspoon of unmodified potato starch. Mix it into just some cold water, never hot, and take it 1 to 2 hours before bed. More is not better. And if you're sensitive or prone to bloating, start with a half a teaspoon and slowly build up because your gut bacteria needs time to adapt. What should you feel? Some people notice changes within days, such as less nighttime hunger, smoother digestion, more regular bowel movements, improved sleep depth, helping you sleep much deeper, and calmer feelings throughout your body, particularly throughout the day. And over 1 to 2 weeks, many people you'll notice have noticed reduced bloating, less inflammation, fewer cravings, more stable morning blood sugar, improved energy, better focus, improved recovery for conditions that are chronic, and an overall sense that their body is working with them instead of against them. Because this is not a stimulant and it's not a quick fix, it's a signal. A signal that tells your gut bacteria to produce compounds that help regulate inflammation throughout your entire body. It helps improve your insulin sensitivity. It supports your immune balance. It calms your nervous system, making you feel relaxed, tranquil, and enhances repair while you sleep. And many times the most powerful changes in health comes not from what your body digests, but from what it listens to overnight. I know this will do wonderful things for your health. I hope that this video serves you well. Please leave your comments below, and most important, make it a great day. I'm Dr. Alan Mandel.